Good morning, everybody. I have some OTC charts that hit my radar this morning. Anyone watching the videos for the first time, I referenced the yearly chart, the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving average. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and check these companies out for yourself. So first one I have is ATWT, 0028 a share it closed at, using the 20-day moving average as support. And it's been really pushing off of it strong. A lot of volume yesterday. It just came out of nowhere. 004 looks like it tested 004. If strong volume continues, there's no reason to think this won't test 005. And once it crosses that, all eyes are on that penny test. So not saying it's going there, but with the volume that's been coming in, something's up. It closed right up near. Well, like I said, it tested the 4 and came back, but it could retest. Let's see where the volume comes in. It's something seems to be brewing on this one, so keep a close eye on that one. CBDW, I haven't highlighted this one in a while. It's kind of got real quiet. Been waiting on news on this one. They dropped an 8K out yesterday, updating their potential buy of the power plant that they've been trying to acquire. It closed at 0006. It had a ton of volume yesterday. It was over 100 million off of the 8K. So the 200-day moving average is up at 001. If it can get above that, it looks like it would have a lot of room to run. So that's been the key for some time, is getting over that 200-day moving average. So it's not that far off from it. And with yesterday's volume, you never know. It could reach up and test it today. It might not. I can't tell you, but the volume really stuck out to me yesterday. AMFN is the next one. I've highlighted this one recently as well. Closed at about 13.5 cents a share. It's a beautiful chart. I love charts like this. I mean, a lot of people tell me you can't use charts in the OTC. They are fools that say that. Chart's a chart, and it tells you where the support is, where this one's been, and a lot of times where it's going. And this one's just a nice steady climb. It's come back off its highs a bit, but it's tests the 20-day moving average and it holds as support. So that's what you want to see in these types of charts. The moving averages have been steadily climbing. So as it comes back and tests and moves back up, like I anticipated it will, then it's just a sign of a healthy chart. So highs on the chart look around 20 cents. I'm not saying it's going to run up to 20 cents, but that's a good target if the trend continues here. The next one is CWGYF, 11 cents a share. Strong push off the 20-day as it dipped to test it, which you like to see a lot of times. That it shows you how healthy the chart is, and if it dips to these moving averages and bounces off and rockets off, and you get a healthy chart. It closed up 10% yesterday. Looks like it's at near its highs on the chart, and I'm watching for continuation on this one. TKOI, 028 cents a share. It's been on a rip. It's I think it had some news out maybe last week, and it's been steadily on the rise on this one. So it's pushed through the resistance, it looks like, on the chart. Looks like it's clearing it, and it sets up for a possible 5 test on this. I mean, clearing that resistance was key. It looked like there was a lot of it, and it had some really strong volume. So it was up 45% yesterday. So it just demolished the resistance. So I like this one moving forward. I really think 5 cents is realistic. The last one I have is UNRG, 7 cents a share. Continues to trade well above the 20-day moving average as it's testing its highs on the chart. 10 cents is basically, next in line in my opinion. And, I think it's got a decent shot at doing that. So check these out. Check out some of the past videos as well. I've had some good ones. I've had some that fall flat. That's just part of the game. But I love seeing the subscribers steadily climb up. And leave a comment. Leave a like, at least watch the video, and have a great trading day, everyone.